Good morning. Today I'm going to visit my grandpa's farm. I have my little bucket with me, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see all the animals. Wow, Grandpa's farm is so big and green. I can hear the birds singing and the wind feels nice. This is going to be so much fun. Hi, Grandpa. I'm so happy to be here. Can we go see the animals now? I wonder which one we'll meet first. Look at the sheep. They're so fluffy and white. Baa-baa. Haha, they sound so funny. I love feeding them fresh green grass. Whoa! The cows are so big and strong. Moo moo. I think they're talking to me. Grandpa, can I try giving them some hay? The goats are running and jumping everywhere. They climb on rocks like little mountain climbers. Here, goats. I brought some crunchy carrots for you. Hello, piggy. Your nose is so funny and pink. Oink oink. You're really hungry today. Here's a shiny apple just for you. What an amazing day on Grandpa's farm. I saw so many animals and fed them all. I love your farm, Grandpa. I want to come back tomorrow. See you again. Subscribe to my channel.